going to have a tutorial session on how to use a scientific calculator to compute for the binomial distribution. So first, i-click lang po muna natin shift and then log. Lalabas po dyan yung symbol for summation. And then ilagay lang po natin yung formula natin for the binomial distribution. So maglalagay po tayo dyan ng tatlong parenthesis. And the operation is multiplication. Lagyan din po natin yung pangalawang parenthesis na exponent. So, click lang po natin yung x raised to y. And then, sa unahan po naman na may parenthesis, lagay po natin yung shift and then NCR. Sa division po yung NCR natin para lumabas po yung ating C, which is combination. Sa unahan po ng combination ay yung value ni n. For example, 18 yung n natin. And alpha x times 0.10 yung probability of success po natin raised to alpha. And then, x. Si x po ay nasa close parenthesis times the probability of failure raised to 18 minus alpha x. So, ayan. Kompleto na po yung ating formula for the binomial computation. But as you can see, wala pang value ang mga x po natin dyan sa formula kasi ang value ng x ay ilalagay po natin sa unahan. So, from the minimum value of x up to the maximum value of x. So, tandaan natin yun nasa baba. Laging yun po yung pinaka-lowest value ni x. So, in this example, we're going to compute for the probability of at least 4. Kaya po, from 4 to 18 po yan. So, the answer is 0.098. So, we can also check kung ang probability from 0 to 18 is equal to 1. So, pag tinay po natin, pinalitan natin yung value ng x ng 0 up to 18, that is equal to 100%. So, meaning to say, we can also use the complementary event wherein si 1 po or si 100% ay ima-minus natin doon sa kabaliktaran ni at least 4. So, alam naman natin ang kabaliktaran ni at least 4 is si 0 to 3. So, pwede nating sabihin na yung probability of at most 3, which is from 0 to 3. So, yun po yung gagamitin natin na complement ni at least 4. So, ang gagawin lang po natin, kung sundin natin yung complementary event formula. So, lalagay lang po natin si 1 sa unahan, si 100% or 1, ima-minus natin sa kabaliktaran ni at least 4. So, 1 minus probability of from 0 to 3. So, same lang po yung answer na makukuha natin. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye!